one of the many Alexa-enabled devices that we saw this year at Amazon's Big September event was this guy. This is the Echo Loop, which is a $130 ring with Alexa built right in. It's like a shortcut for Alexa that you wear on your hand. So the way this thing works is you've got a little button on the inside. It's not always listening for the voice, for the wake word the way other Echo products are. Instead, you activate it by clicking that button. So you're going to wear it on your hand with the button kind of facing your thumb. You give the button a press, you feel some haptic feedback, you ask a question, and then you hold it up to your ear to get a very discreet response from Alexa. And that's really it. The great thing about this is you can also use it for quick voice calls. You can program a specific contact or number that you're going to be able to call with a double click. And so then either through the Alexa voice service or through just dialing a number, you can call and have a very quick conversation with someone using your ring. That's the picture for the Alexa-enabled Echo Loop. So we'll see this when it starts coming out later this year. It's an invitation-only gadget, $130 like I said. You can request that invitation on Amazon, and they say it's going to start shipping out by the end of the year. Now between this Echo Loop and those new Echo frames, those eyeglasses, the idea really seems to be to get Alexa with you on the go. And a big reason for that is you can trigger location-based routines when Alexa knows specifically where you are. You can say, tell me this when I get to work, or remind me to do that when I get home. These little devices, since they're tied to your phone and they know your location, they're going to know where you are and when you're entering and leaving those geo-fenced areas and be able to trigger routines that way. That's a pretty compelling new use case, but it also means there's a lot of location data that's being tracked by these things. So we'll see how consumers react to that and how Amazon handles that as they continue to sell products like this.